Hi guys, I thought I'll do a vlog today. So this is completely unscripted, unplanned, but I thought I'll just go for it. I wanted to share something exciting I did just over a week ago. I was invited to speak at the Princess Trust to speak to the corporate partnerships team. Now, how it came about was a story I wrote on Medium, the blogging platform. So I started writing on there a couple of months ago. And there was a story I shared on LinkedIn, one of my early stories, which was the title's quite long because it was along the lines of how I reduced 20 days of admin work by automating routine tasks. I'll give the link in the description so you can have a read. So I shared this on LinkedIn, and a corporate partnerships manager at the Princess Trust picked this story up. I knew them previously through work and still do, and they invited me to speak with her team, her national team, as part of Learning Week on this no-code automation and how to become more efficient and reduce waste. So I was really humbled, of course, to be invited to this, and it's amazing how a story on Medium became a talk, but a blog is not a talk. So I got to work on writing a workshop, a session, something that was interactive. And I got a great feedback as well. There was about 12 people attending. And the way I made it interactive was breaking people into groups. I did some further research as well to back up what I was saying as well, so that it's not all rubbish and based on a bit of hard evidence and research and things that worked. But I went into it not saying that I'm the expert. I'm a kind of a practitioner, but I went into it with mindset of here's someone that in their job they've got certain pain points that would not really discovered, working through it for a couple of years, and I went out and sought out solutions. So I talked about 3 tools that I used to reduce 20 working days of admin, so like a month. And through that process, it has been really life-changing. So yeah, it's that session I absolutely loved delivering that, and it's led to another session. So there's another charity that I'll be we're speaking to with this session, hopefully with a version 2, business in the community. So watch this space, and I'll be doing a YouTube video on that session as well. So subscribe to see that.